Boy, it's a really nice day outside today. I hope you're enjoying it too. Just got wrapped up with a nice family graduation party. It was a long overdue time to catch up. And I quite enjoyed my couple hours of being unglued from a computer helping people out. It's kind of nice. But I did want to remind everybody, it is getting towards the end of the week here, and you definitely want to take advantage of my 30% off for everybody, 40% off for veterans, Revival Tech computer tune-up special. So if you got a slow computer, it's not working right, maybe you just never had a tune-up before, or it's been a long time. Click on the button down below, fill out the contact form with your information, get a call booked on my calendar. That way it alerts me and it locks in your deal. We can get on that call and chat out any more details, or just get things started right away. Most of the time I can take care of these things remotely, and if you're in the area, feel free to drop it off at the shop too. But I'm gonna go enjoy a little bit more of my unglued from the computer time, get some of this fresh air. Then I'm gonna go, get glued to the computer again and help people out with these tune-ups. I got a whole bunch of tune-ups scheduled here for the rest of the day, so I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.